Have you ever wondered how to find a great business idea? Well, you're not alone. Discovering the right business idea is more than just a spark of genius. It's a process, a journey, if you will. It's about uncovering a concept that aligns with your passions, skills, and the demands of the marketplace. Imagine unearthing a gem that not only resonates with who you are but also has the potential to create value, solve problems, and meet market needs. Sounds exciting, right? But how do you navigate this path? Well, the good news is, it's not as daunting as it seems. It involves a mix of introspection, creativity, market understanding, and a pinch of courage. So whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur looking for your next venture or a newbie stepping into the exciting world of entrepreneurship, this journey is for you. Stay tuned as we unveil the steps to finding that fantastic business idea that's just right for you. First and foremost, let's understand the entrepreneurial mindset. It's not just about coming up with a business idea. It's about fostering the right attitude to make that idea a reality. It's about being a go-getter, a problem solver, a risk taker, and a visionary. Think of fear as your compass, not your barrier. Fear is often a sign that you're stepping out of your comfort zone, which is exactly where growth happens. Embrace it. Don't shy away from it. Now let's talk about creativity. It's not just about thinking outside the box, but realizing there is no box. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. It's about challenging the status quo and daring to dream big. And remember, this mindset isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's about constantly evolving and adapting. It's about being resilient in the face of failure and persistent in the pursuit of success. Remember, a mindset poised for success is the first step towards a great business idea. Now it's time for some self-reflection. Embarking on an entrepreneurial journey is much like embarking on a journey of self-discovery. It's a process of unearthing your strengths, your skills, your interests, and aligning them with potential business ideas. You see, the magic of entrepreneurship often lies in this alignment. It's about combining your unique abilities and interests and channeling them into a venture that not only speaks to you but also resonates with the market. Think about it. What are you good at? What are your strengths? Are you a natural leader, a talented artist, a tech wizard, or a culinary genius? Your unique skills and strengths are the pillars upon which you can build your entrepreneurial empire. Next, let's dive into your interests. What sets your soul on fire? What could you spend hours doing without feeling the passing of time? Your passion is your fuel. It's the driving force that will keep you going through the ups and downs of your entrepreneurial journey. But here's the catch. Passion alone is not enough. It's like a car without a destination. You can drive all day, enjoy the ride, but you won't end up anywhere specific. That's where market demand comes into play. It's the destination for your passion-fueled vehicle. It's about finding a need in the market that aligns with your passion and skills. So, how do you balance personal interest with market demand? It's all about feasibility. Evaluate if there's a demand for your passion. Can your skills solve a problem that people are willing to pay for? If yes, you have a potential business idea. If not, don't be disheartened. It's an opportunity to explore new areas, learn new skills, and discover new passions. Remember, entrepreneurship is a journey, not a destination. It's about the process of self-discovery, of finding the sweet spot between your passion and the market demand. It's about turning what you love into something that others love too, and are willing to pay for. Remember, a profitable business idea often lies at the intersection of your passion and market demand. Scene script. Next, we have to become problem identifiers. Think about it. Every successful business at its core is an answer to a problem. So, how do we identify these problems? It starts with observation. Pay attention to the challenges you face in your daily life. What frustrates you? What could be easier, more efficient, or more enjoyable? These are your pain points, and they're not just problems, they're potential business ideas. But it's not just about your personal pain points. Look around you. What problems are your friends, family, or colleagues regularly encountering? What complaints do you hear most often? These are all opportunities to find solutions, and in those solutions you may find your business idea. Once you've identified a problem, it's time to conduct market research. This step is essential to determine if your problem is unique to you or if it's something that a larger market also struggles with. You'll want to investigate if there are already solutions available, and if so, how your idea could improve upon them. Leverage tools and resources to conduct effective market research. Use online platforms like Google Trends to see what people are searching for, or social media to gauge public opinion on certain issues. Check out your potential competitors, see what they're doing, and think about how you can do it better. Remember, a good business idea isn't just about solving a problem. It's about solving a problem better than anyone else. It's about offering a unique solution, one that is not just different, but also superior. It's also important to remember that market needs change over time. That's why ongoing observation and research are key. What is a minor problem today could become a major issue tomorrow, offering new opportunities for innovative solutions. So keep your eyes open for those problems waiting to be solved. They might just be your next business opportunity. Now let's dive into industry trends and innovation. In the ever-changing landscape of business, it's essential to keep your finger on the pulse of current and emerging industry trends. By staying informed, you'll be better equipped to identify potential opportunities in growing markets. Think of trends as currents in a river. You can either swim against them, exhausting yourself in the process, or you can use them to your advantage, allowing them to carry you towards success. But don't just follow the trends. Think about how you can shape them. This is where the role of innovation comes in. Innovation is not just about creating something entirely new. It's about improving, adapting, and evolving what already exists. It's about approaching problems with a fresh perspective and finding better solutions. Consider the story of the humble Post-it note. Its invention was a result of innovative thinking applied to a seemingly insignificant problem. The adhesive used was initially considered a failure because it wasn't strong enough, but instead of discarding it, the creators thought about where a less strong adhesive might be useful, and voila, the Post-it note was born. Innovation often happens at the intersection of fields. So try to broaden your knowledge beyond your area of expertise. Read widely, attend seminars, join online forums, and engage in conversations with people from different industries. You never know where your next big idea might come from. Also, remember that innovation often involves trial and error. Don't be disheartened if your first, second, or even third idea doesn't work out. Each failure brings you one step closer to success. Embrace the process, learn from your mistakes, and keep iterating. In the world of entrepreneurship, a fresh perspective is a valuable commodity. Encourage yourself to think differently, to question the status quo, and to embrace the possibilities that lie outside the box. It's this kind of innovative thinking that can turn an ordinary idea into an extraordinary business opportunity. By staying informed and innovative, you can discover opportunities in the most unexpected places. Next up, let's talk about leveraging what you already have. You see, your professional skills and expertise aren't just resume fillers. They're potential gold mines for business ideas. Are you a coding wizard? Perhaps there's a tech startup in your future, or maybe your knack for organizing could lead to a professional organizing business. But don't forget, no man is an island, especially in the world of business. Your networks can be a treasure trove of opportunities waiting to be unearthed. Look around. Your colleagues, friends, even your former schoolmates could be potential business partners or sources of inspiration. Who knows, your best friend from college might just be the co-founder your startup needs. And remember, networking isn't just about taking, it's also about giving. Share your expertise, offer your help. In the process, you're not only building relationships, but also strengthening your skills. Remember, your existing skills and networks can be your biggest assets in finding a business idea. Finally, let's explore the digital world. In this modern age, the digital landscape is ripe with opportunities. The fast-paced evolution of technology continuously presents innovative trends, paving the way for new business concepts. Think about the rise of e-commerce, for instance. It has revolutionized how we shop, making it possible for anyone with a unique product or service to reach a global market. But it's not just about e-commerce. From software development to digital marketing, the potential for online business models is vast and varied. It's all about leveraging technology to create value, solve problems, and meet the needs of your target market. As we conclude, remember that finding a business idea is a journey. It's about identifying problems, understanding market trends, and utilizing your skills and passion. Keep exploring, stay resilient, and don't forget to enjoy the process. The right idea may be just around the corner, waiting for you to discover it.